Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing new Casio G-Shock watch model GA-2100-2A2ER. Let's get started. Right from the start, we can notice that the design of the G-Shock watch box has changed. What do you think of the new design? There's no longer a metal box inside. This is probably a cheaper option for making boxes. Metal is much more expensive. What do you think about this color? I'm positively surprised. It looks beautiful. It will definitely mark the summer of 2024. The main features of the Casio G-Shock GA-2100 watches include 1. Toughness, built with G-Shock's renowned shock resistance technology, ensuring durability against impacts and vibrations. 2. Lightweight construction, incorporation of carbon fiber reinforced resin in the case and bezel for enhanced durability without adding bulkiness. 3. Water resistance, with a water resistance rating of up to 200 meters, it's suitable for water-based activities like swimming and snorkeling. 4. Advanced functions, equipped with features such as a stopwatch, countdown timer, and world time function, catering to the needs of adventurers and travelers. 5. Super Illuminator LED light, provides enhanced visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring readability at any time of day or night. 6. Sleek design, with its slim profile and octagonal bezel, the GA-2100 watches offer a modern and stylish aesthetic suitable for various occasions. 7. Versatility, designed to complement both casual and formal attire, making it a versatile accessory for everyday wear. The width of the watch case is 45 mm, and the weight is 51 grams. The battery lasts approximately 3 years. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. It's really lightweight and practical. This color has amazed me. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.